Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'll be working in the Blossom Junk Journal Kit by Miss Lynette over at Chic. I'm on her design team, and so I am going to be working in this kit. It is a fairy and mushroom theme, perfect for spring and summer. So if you haven't checked out her channel, go on over there. I'll have the link down below, and she'll have her Etsy shop link there as well. So hopefully she still has this kit available. It's super cute. If you want to see the unboxing that I did, I'll put the link down below. She also does unboxings and also does different process videos of the things that she's been working on in the book, as well as many other junk journal ideas. She also does lives, and so yeah, go ahead and go over there and subscribe to her channel. So what I wanted to do today is make a peekaboo page. I'd seen this on Pinterest. I'll try and remember to link the Pinterest link down below. But basically it is a torn, layered kind of opening in the page, and it's kind of like a shaker opening, but you don't put shaker bits in it. You put a picture on the opposite side, so when the page is closed you can see what's through there. Kind of hard to describe, so let's just hop on into it and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just going to go open this up to the first page. I haven't done anything in this book yet, and we're going to start with this page because it's plain. And what I picked out to go with this, there were some of the cutouts and stickers. So I have a heart, I have a couple mushroom stickers, and a butterfly punch, and another heart. So those will be some decorations for the page. I might pull in some of the ribbon or fibers too. And then I have this handmade paper and also this book page. And then I have this page where I think I'm going to I'll use this image that you'll be able to see through the little viewing window in the book. And I apologize for the background noise if you can hear that. It's the tree people that are mulching up they're cleaning up the trees, pruning them, and then mulching it, so it's very loud, and they just happen to be doing that right now. So anyway, hopefully you can't hear too much. All right, so I think what I'll do now, since it's so noisy, is just I'm gonna keep working here, and I'll put you on fast forward and do a voiceover, and yeah, and that way the video won't be super long and won't be super noisy, except for right now. Yeah, just stick around and find out how to make this really cool page. Start off, I'm going to take my first page here, fold it kind of in half a little bit, and cut a piece out, and then start by tearing a kind of an oval into this first piece of paper. And then I'm going to put another piece on top of that. This is the handmade paper. And I'm just going to fold it and tear it down to the size of the first paper. And then fold it in half slightly and do another cut. And now I'm going to tear another oval . Now I do want this to be, I want it to look layered and be able to see the layers. So I put that one behind, and then for this top one, I thought maybe I would use that piece of book paper there, but I found another one that I liked better. It was a little bit taller. So on this one, I'm going to tear the sides down and make it the same width as the other two papers. And then for this one, I want the hole to be even bigger so that it shows the layers underneath. So I'm going to cut it a little bit further there and then go a little bit more. That was the biggest hole, so I wanted to make it even bigger than that. This was a thinner paper, so I really had to be careful so I didn't totally rip through the side. Alright, so now what we need to do is glue our pieces all together. So I'm going to put glue all over each layer and stick them together. Position it and then smooth it out. This is a thinner paper, like I said, so some of the glue does show through on this, but I do use my other elements to cover it up, so it's not that big of a deal. So now I'm going to put glue on the bigger side, that left side paper, and then stick my third piece, that handmade paper, on top of that. Now I have one of the fairy pages, and I'm going to tear around the fairy that I want to use. So I chose this one here with the purple dress and the purple flowers. And I am going to tear down the line that's around there eventually. I just like I like the look of the picture without the border on it. Now I'm positioning it, and just so it shows through the hole the way I want it. And then I'll put glue on half the paper, because what I'm gluing it onto, that paper is a fold out, so you just want to make sure that when you put your peekaboo page down on top of it, you can see all of the picture that you want to see. So now I'm just going to decorate that first page there on top, and I have these mushroom stickers, I have the butterfly punch outs, and then I pulled this napkin here, so I'm going to pull a piece of this out. There was some purple flowers on the napkin, so I wanted to use that so that I could tie the rest of the page in with the purple and the dress of the fairy. And then I also left on the green border along the side, because I just thought that would look really nice with everything. And then now I'm trying to pull the top layer of the napkin off, because that's all you'll need to glue down to the page. Now I'm adding some glue, and before I stick my napkin down, I'm just going to smooth it out with my finger, and then just smooth it down there, get it as straight as possible. I didn't get mine very straight, as you can tell, but it still turned out okay. And then you'll want to add some glue as needed for any edges that you didn't get down. So now to tie the blue to, or the turquoise color from the opposite page there, I'm going to add in some of this turquoise butterfly, and then I'll add in the turquoise heart punch outs just in different parts of the page. And then I'll add this mushroom on the side there. And then I'll add a second little heart. And then the last thing that I want to do for this page is just add some of the yarn or fiber. I think I used yarn on this and just tied a bow. And this is some green, so that carries the green through and brings in the green that's at the bottom with the napkin. So I'm just tying a bow around the side. That just adds a little more dimension on the page and another little texture on there. And then just going to trim it off. All right, so I love the way that this turned out. So awesome. Really pretty simple. It's just layering. You just need to make sure that you layer at different widths around so you can see the layers. But yeah, I love it. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to add in the purple, but I'm glad I looked at the napkin because it has the purple in here, and then from this I was able to pull in the turquoise over here, and then this over here, the green of the napkin. So yeah, love that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.